Alright, we're going to make a scorpion, leaving about 9-ish inches uninflated. You make a bubble for the head. You're going to make the bubble for the head, and this is going to be pinch twisted. These bubbles are about 3/4 inches a piece. You're going to make a bicep, which is going to be 1.5 inches. And then you're going to make a pinch twist for the elbow, bringing the rest of the balloon forward. Make another bubble for the forearm, and then you're going to make a pinch twist for the front claw. So these two bubbles, this bubble's about 1.5 inches, about 3/4 inch, another 1.5 inches, 3/4 inch. You're going to pop this bubble here, follow this by another 3/4 inch pinch twist. Then you're going to make this going back the same way you made this. So this bubble would be next. 2-inch bubble, followed by another pinch twist for the other elbow, followed by another bubble, which is about 2 inches for the other bicep. Now this bubble here, I'm going to twist under the neck. So you're going to twist these together, putting the head between these. You should have something like this now. You're going to make 6 bubbles for the feet, and these are going to twist underneath. You're going to make a 3-bubble roll for the scorpion. So this belly comes between these feet, and these feet come down and under. The rest of this should be the tail of a scorpion, and you want there to be a little stinger on the end. Then you're going to pop this bubble and carefully pull these arms out to the side where the head's down in the middle. And then instead of turning this, I'm going to turn this right here so the claws are flat out. And this is the way your scorpion should look when it's all done.